Hey guys, and welcome to ICO Investor. Today we're gonna speak about Kraken.com, the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange and the Bitcoin trading platform. We're gonna discuss how to create an account, the features, the prices, and of course the learn section.
I'm not a financial advisor. The video is only for informational and educational purposes.
So please make sure to stick to the end of the video, and of course like the video, comment in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel ICO Investor if you haven't already. And please make sure to check the description below for all the links and the information needed to start using Kraken.com. So guys, we are back on Kraken.com and I'm going to show you how to create an account. It's really simple, really easy, and really quick. You just press this button, create account, and it will land you to this page. All you have to do is to type in your email, your username, and your password, which is at least 12 characters, one letter, one number, and one special character. Choose your country of residence and please make sure to check the right one, because they are going to ask you for your ID or your passport or verification for your ID. So please make sure to check the right country of residence and then press this checkbox right here by continuing I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then press create account. Really simple, really easy, and really quick. So guys, we are back now on the features page of Kraken.com, and if we scroll a little bit down, we can see all the essentials, which are a comprehensive security approach. Using Kraken.com is actually secure 100%, so make sure to use the official site Kraken.com and not any other site. So the fees on Kraken are actually really low. So the more you trade on Kraken, the more you unlock rewards and the fees go down. Funding options are really good. You can fund your wallet with a lot of methods. If you go down a little bit here, buy and sell assets in just a few clicks. Really simple, really easy to use Kraken.com. And of course it has a 24/7 support. So if you have any question or any inquiry, please make sure to check this section right here. Choose either you want to call them or you have a live chat and they will answer you as soon as possible. If we scroll down a little bit, it says here take your trading to the next level. So they have ability to use margin, which can give you profit up to 5x, and they are working, as you can see here in the trade futures, maximizing the returns up to 50x leverage. Yeah, using Kraken is really good. They have in every single page right here, as you can see, this small section for some frequently asked questions. So if you are new to investing or new to using Kraken, they will be answering all the questions. So you just press it and go to the blog or to the question. Of course, you have to create an account. If you don't have the question right here, you just simply go to the support and ask them the question right there. Yeah, that's it for the features page. Now we're gonna move on to the prices. So for the prices, as you can see here, they have a lot of cryptocurrencies and tokens, and they have up to 108 different cryptocurrencies, including of course Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ether, Cardano, Ripple, Solana, Dogecoin, and they have just added Shiba Inu right here. So if you are a Shiba Inu fan, make sure to use Kraken and you can actually trade or buy or sell any other cryptocurrency on this site. So for example, here the Bitcoin, the price is 32,000 euros. In the last 24 hours, it was minus 3.848 and the market cap is 615 billion euros. And if we press the Bitcoin, they have a really good charting system right here. It's 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or all, which stands for all the timeline. And they have here also definition or some explanation about all the cryptocurrencies. So if you want to know more about cryptocurrency, just go here to this page of prices, the cryptocurrency that you want to learn about. For example, I want to learn more about Solana. So you'll find here a chart that explains everything that is happening in Solana for the past 1 month, 1 week, or 1 day. And here you can see more advanced tools, popular assets, or Kraken tools that you can use on the chart to do some research on this cryptocurrency. So now guys, we are on the learn section of Kraken.com, and this is really special about Kraken because they actually support all the investors, from the professional ones to the beginner ones. So if you are a beginner investor, you just have to go on Kraken.com to the learn section after creating the account, of course, and then you will find here a lot of videos that are explaining a lot of stuff. So for example, what is cryptocurrency, types of cryptocurrency, what is DeFi, what is blockchain technology, every single question that a beginner can ask to himself in order to understand more about investing in general. So they have here, of course, what is Bitcoin, what is Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Of course, They have here some Crypto 101 questions, which are: how do I get Bitcoin? Why is Bitcoin so volatile? What if you lose Bitcoin? So all the questions that you ask yourself at the beginning of your cryptocurrency jam or cryptocurrency journey, you will find all the answers on. And of course here they have web binders. So Kraken has a presentation or web binder every single 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 month, and they actually bring professional traders or investors that have a really good experience with investing, and they explain their experience to other people, beginners or even pros, in order to like improve yourself and improve your trading experience. Yeah, that's really helpful. And as you can see here, like Bitcoin for Business, the $425 million Bitcoin bet, and all interesting web binders or even podcasts. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Today we talked about how to create an account on Kraken.com, how to use the features, the prices, and the learn section. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to give us a like, make sure to add any comments in the comment section below with questions that I may have not covered, and of course subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thank you for being here. Goodbye.